Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find the power mirrors, fuses and relays on GMC Sierra that generation 2014 to year 2018. 2018 things may differ a little bit. We'll talk about that. They switch fuse boxes. We'll explain what you need to check. By the way, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from, and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the power mirrors, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation GMC Sierra. Today guys we'll be working two fuse boxes that are hidden, but you have quite a few hidden fuse boxes in that GMC truck that most people do not know they exist. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. First we need to open the driver door. On the side of the dash here, okay, you see that cover? Okay, that cover is removable, pried open. Behind it, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, what we need to check now, let's zoom in. Make sure to stay until the end. Now 2018 they switched to different fuse boxes, mostly the one under the hood, but this one you may have some double fuse right here, but other than that the interior fuse boxes are almost the same. Most differences will be in the fuse box under the hood. They look very close, but there are some minor differences. The fuse that we need to check today for the power mirrors first is fuse number 40 guys. We're talking about a 30 amp fuse right here, okay, needs to be checked. Then you will need to check fuse number 8, and fuse number 8 guys will be that fuse right here, okay, the 10 amp fuse. Then open guys the passenger door. Now once you do that, you see that cover exactly the same like the one, okay, on the driver's side. Open that cover and underneath here you're going to find a very similar looking fuse box. Here we need to check one more fuse that's known as fuse number 42. Right here, check that fuse guys. All these things will need to be checked. You don't have a specifically dedicated relay, those are known as relay fuses. If you want to see why mirror doesn't work, we have a special video on the channel that will teach you all about that. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.